Alright, so guys, if you're someone who is not good at makeup and kailangan mo na mag-apply kasi you need to go to that photo shoot, you need to go to that event, appointment, or occasion, and you really need to put makeup on your face para masiguradong clean, tsaka maganda ka tingnan, well, I'll share you one of my ways para gawin yun. And here's how. Syempre, to do that, you must have wet wipes, tsaka sponge, at tsaka foundation. The very first thing that you need to do is to clean your face. You can do it by washing your face, or if you don't want to wash your face, you can do it by putting wet wipes on your face, which in my case, I already did. And I used these wet wipes. So you really need to pat all areas of your face and make sure na maging clean yun before you apply your foundation. So now, I already have my sponge here, and of course, you also have to clean your sponge. Make sure everything is clean para di madagdagan yung pimples mo at saka di kakalat yung bacteria. And just to make sure na tidy talaga lahat yung pagkakagawa till the final product, which is your face. After you rub it with wet wipes and all, next thing that we should do is to get our sponge. Then we also need to clean it. So we have to clean it using water. So you can just like hugas it sa water. And also, you can put alcohol just for those people na hindi ma-irritate yung skin nila, okay? So after that, we can now apply the foundation to our skin. So the foundation that I bought before, I bought this months ago. And I rarely use this. I only use this pag my events or pag my photo shoot. The color that I chose for the foundation is orange blush. Orange blush kasi nag-match siya sa skin ko, and like yung kulay pare-pareho talaga sa kulay ng face ko, kaya you should choose a color that would match your skin tone or the color of your face para ano guys, maganda yung resulta, diba? For this sponge guys, nilagyan ko siya ng alcohol kanina, then I squeeze it to get rid of the excess alcohol para hindi siya masyadong nakaka-irita sa skin. So now it's time to rub our face with the foundation. For me, I just start here. Actually, yung face ko guys, mapula-pula because I have a skin disorder and my med akong minamaintain. It's an ointment and it's called Betnovate. The skin disorder is called seborrheic dermatitis or seborrhea. And when you apply the medicine, like I apply it overnight. So in the morning when I wake up, like yung skin ko nawawala na yung pula-pula and nag-glow yung skin ko. Pero I only apply Betnovate for like 2 or 3 times a week. Kasi hindi pwede yun na every night ka mag-a-apply because pinapanipis yun yung skin mo, and mas magkaka-pimples ka pag lagi mong ina-apply yun gabi-gabi. So now I'm almost done. Like guys, napakadali lang talaga nito. You can just do this whenever may needed appointments ka, like photo shoot, ganun, or shooting if you're an actor or an actress. Like, yeah, you don't need any makeup artist if you're just gonna apply foundation on your face. Like, you can have clear skin and you can cover those pimples. I mean, the redness will fade. And like these are just really easy steps. Okay, so if you're someone na di sanay gumamit ng sponge for putting foundation on your face, pag hindi na siya basa, you have to wet it again para makuha mo yung foundation dito tsaka malagay mo sa face mo. Okay, so actually I'm doing this without a mirror. Like nagre-rely lang talaga ako sa camera. Pero I'm demonstrating it naman for you guys. It's just how you do it. Like me, hindi ako makeup artist. Like I only apply this if needed, just to make my face look clean para hindi siya masyadong oily. By the way guys, if oily yung face mo, you can use oil control film to remove the excess oil. I use that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like, if ever you already put your foundation and then magiging oily yung mukha mo, you just have to remove this. Tsaka, like, kunin mo isa. And then you apply it on your face like this. Ganun lang. So right now, hindi oily yung face ko, so walang oil na tumatak or walang oil na absorb itong oil control film. Pero if oily yung mukha ko, then this will get wet and mapupuno ito ng oil na pwedeng gamitin para sa pagluto later. Joke na guys. So yun, like, this is very helpful. I have been using this for like how many years na? I think no, 4th year high school pa lang ako. You can buy this for, I think di aabot ng 200 pesos. So Watsons, I think, ano ata, 120 plus. And may ano siya, 60 sheets. Like if this front part lang gamitin mo, dito lang talaga na-absorb yung ano, yung oil. Tsaka you can use the back part kasi wala pa siyang na-absorb na oil. Alright guys, so continuing with the foundation, like after you have applied it to your whole face, syempre you also have to apply it on your neck. Para naman ano, magkakamantay-pantay ang kulay. Tsaka para hindi masyadong obvious na you're wearing foundation. Anyway, the main purpose of this is to make our face clean and to make us look more presentable, diba? At tsaka sometimes I put it above my eyes, yung below my eyebrows. I don't know what this part is called, pero yeah, I put it also here para pag pumikit ka, syempre pantay pa rin, like everything on the part of your face looks the same. So after that, then yeah, you're done. Diba? Clean na yung mukha mo. And the only thing that we should mind is dapat hindi masyadong ano, like maputla yung mukha mo kasi minsan para ka ng patay. Kaya we also have to be to apply it carefully, tsaka hindi masyadong pasobrahan, hindi masyadong limitahan, dapat saktong-sakto lang. And also, you can put petroleum jelly or lip gloss, or pwede mo ring lawayan yung lips mo para mas presentable ka tingnan, and also you look cooler, diba? As a guy like me. Then you also fix your hair, and that can be done in just like less than 5 minutes. So yeah guys, that's how I do my thing, and that's what I do if ever may pupuntahan akong shoot or like may events na may mga cameras talaga and need talaga na clean tingnan yung mukha. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe sa channel ko. Like guys, I'm just starting, and if may mga tao mag-support sa akin, like it would really motivate me, and I would really thank them and you for that. So yeah, that's all.
All of the love